Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel for another magical video. If you're new to my channel, hello, I'm Carolyn. It's very nice to meet your digital acquaintance. Here on my channel, I make room makeover videos or room transfiguration videos because I'm very obsessed with the Harry Potter wizarding world. I also do DIYs, I also do organization and cleaning. If you enjoy those kind of things, please hit the subscribe button to join our online community. Today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. If you watched my last video, you saw that I organized my entire closet. I battled my mortal enemy, laundry. So you know what that means? It means I have clothes. I mean, that's pretty obvious, isn't it? But what I mean is I can put outfits together now. I love this trend going around on Instagram. It's books as outfits, where people take their books and style an outfit to match the cover. How fun would it be to style each one of the Harry Potter books? Today I will be collaborating with my friend Marie. Her YouTube channel is You've Got Marie. She will be styling outfits for the Fever series by Karen Marie Monning. She also makes clean and green makeup and skincare videos that I know you will love. So, I guess all that's left to do is to figure out what versions of the books I'm going to style. Let's go downstairs and see what we're gonna pick. So let's see. What are we choosing? Oh, that's different. So I could have like some pink and purples for the first one. Oh shoot, I almost dropped it because I totally forgot that my time turner earrings and my time turner necklace is down here. Hello, Mr. Sorting Hat. How are you today?
There's nothing hidden in your head the sorting hat can't see.
Oh, really? Need these as well. Probably wear these for Order of the Phoenix because you know that's when Luna comes in. I currently have Sorcerer's Stone upstairs in my room. I really like that these are different colored from the OG books, so maybe I just need to bring my entire book collection upstairs. Ugh, literally struggling to carry these. I have to make 2 trips. Those are on my bed. I'm gonna do a mix of, oh my god, I'm so tired, of both the illustrated and the hardback copies. I probably should have done the paperback, they're lighter. There are 7 Harry Potter books. Am I really gonna do all 7 books? Do I have that much clothes? All right, found out my outfits. There's a bunch of books on my bed. Should I do my hair? Since I have now decided that I'm going to do my hair because it's bothering me, you guys asked me a couple different questions over on Instagram, and I'll go ahead and answer those for you guys while I get ready. Get ready with me style. I never thought I would be doing one of these. Bebe. Someone asked me on Instagram how long we've been together.
What makes you think I know that?
You better. Tell him.
We've been together for 6 years on Sunday, which is the 21st.
And what connected us?
Me being short.
That's not correct.
Pokemon.
And
Sushi?
Instagram.
Oh, yeah, Instagram.
First question is, have you ever been to the wizarding world of Harry Potter at Universal? And yes, I have. Actually, Michael has a channel as well. We haven't posted on it in a really long time, but he does have vlogs of us at Disney World and in Diagon Alley. I really wish that we would have spent more time there. I desperately need a redemption. Next question is, do you want kids? Yes, I do want kids. Someday, not now. If you haven't noticed, my finger's empty, and that's kind of a qualification for me to have kids. Just saying. Babe, if you're watching this, hi. What is your favorite Disney movie? I love Hercules ever since I was a kid. I really liked reading about Greek mythology. Everyone is over here reading Junie B. Jones, and I was over here with a book called The Odyssey. I'm currently reading Heroes of Olympus. If you haven't read it, I highly recommend. What is your dream vacation? Oh, that's an easy one. I would 100% go to Tokyo Disney. I would go to Tokyo Disney, I would go to USJ, I would explore Tokyo and Japan in general. I've always admired the Japanese culture. Before I started YouTube, started my Etsy shop, I was going to school for animation. I loved drawing, I loved illustrating, I loved the idea of coming up with character design, and Japan, you know, their anime is top tier. Somebody asked, why are you so awesome and funny? God, when he made me, I was in the pot and he accidentally spilled his barrel of jokes and said, well, I guess I gotta throw some creativity and a dash of awkward to balance that out. While I'm doing the rest of my hair, I'll go ahead and answer the last of the questions. Who is your favorite Harry Potter character? Hagrid. I love Hagrid. He is obsessed with magical creatures. And if you haven't noticed, I do have 5 dogs, so I'm pretty obsessed with fur babies in general. If I could have more dogs, I definitely would. Have you been a Potterhead since the very beginning, or did you get interested in it later? I have always loved the Harry Potter movies, but my first time reading the books and actually becoming obsessed, I guess you could say, was while my grandpa was in the hospital last year. When he was in the hospital, you could only look at your phone for so long. So I went to the Magical World of Target and picked up my first paper box set of Harry Potter, and once I read it, I got all the details that I missed. I was living for it. How long have you been a Harry Potter fan, and why do you like it so much? I guess I answered the how long, but why I like it so much, I guess it's because I really identify with Harry. Harry was an orphan and Michael's in the background judging me so hard. Don't watch me, it's awkward. Anyways, like I was saying, I really feel like I identify with Harry because he was an orphan. I was raised by my grandpa. I didn't really know anybody else. My grandma passed away early on from a car accident. Seeing him go through his journey, and on top of just loving like YA books and magic in general, like we had the same struggle of feeling alone. Harry had adopted a new family in his friends and in the Weasley. Really comforted me because that's basically what I'm doing now that my grandpa's gone. I am finding that your family is not always your blood. Your family can be your friends as well. What does your tattoo say? If you guys haven't noticed, I do have one tattoo right here. It says Nankuru Naisa. If you guys are anime fans and have watched Blood Plus, that is actually a phrase from the anime. I do know it is accurately written in Romaji because I studied Japanese for a year. Nankuru Naisa means smile, everything will be okay. That's the last of the questions, so I'm just gonna go ahead and finish my hair now. Here's my hair all done, but I actually have one last question that was really good. Do you think Snape is a good character, acting bad for Dumbledore, or just a jerk? He made some interesting choices, but was he bad? No, I don't think so. He was a double agent. Ultimately, he was on Dumbledore's side. He was on Hogwarts' side. He did what he did, and he didn't need any recognition for it. The other part about him just being a complete to Harry, I think that's his own jealousy. All right, now that our hair's done, we picked out our outfits, let's see what I came up with. honestly a lot of work. I have a gigantic mess on my bed now. I think the last outfit was my favorite. I feel like dresses are so easy to style, and plus it has my favorite necklace that Michael gave me, my Time Turner necklace. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to check out Marie's video over on her channel. Let me know in the comments what your favorite outfit was. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Next week we'll be doing the Pass the Wand challenge with a bunch of my witch friends, which you cannot miss. Hit the subscribe button and hit the bell to be notified for new videos every week, and share this video with someone you want to inspire. I love you so much. Bye-bye.
Pretty, pretty.